Okay, what I have here is a Minelab Explorer 2, and I haven't used it much over the past year, but I went out a few months ago, I think it was November, and to a field to hunt, and I had this loud humming noise in my headphones. It was driving me absolutely crazy. I couldn't figure what was wrong with it. I messed with the headphone connection, everything. Turns out it's the detector, and it's something to do with the threshold. Today I was hunting, and same thing, but I had it on the setting that I had it on when I was in the field, which made the humming go down. So I'll turn it up here. You can hear the humming sound. Hear that? I mean, that's, you know, it's like 3/4 of the way up on the threshold, but I mean, that'll drive you nuts when you're hunting. It's loud, you know, with headphones on. So I don't know. Could anybody know what's wrong with it? Why it's doing that? Is there a problem in the coil? You know, I don't know, but it just started doing that. It's driving me crazy. So if I turn the threshold down to, okay, right there, it says whatever it's on, it quits. Now, what's the importance of the threshold? Now, I took it out today and I did find a clad quarter down about 4 inches in, a zinc penny, and a bunch of like small junk, like a little piece of aluminum foil and this and that. So it's obviously picking up signals. I just want to know what the importance is of the threshold. Is it going to affect my detecting if I have the threshold turned down? I don't know, because obviously I can't deal with that sound. It drives a man crazy. So anybody knows, give me a comment and help me out here if you could. Appreciate it, and hopefully we can get out here and do some detecting. Oh, I'm picking up something. Oh, get a zinking out there somewhere. Yep, zinc penny. Maybe it's an Indian. So anyway, thanks for the help. Oh, what? Wheat penny. Yep, it's a wheat. Down about, what, 4 inches maybe? Yep, wheat penny. That's about the signal I get when I find old, deep, well, kind of corroded wheats. Alright, thanks again.